Anshuman is coming on display. On motherboard, they are provide the battery backup RAM 62256, 2 battery backup RAM, then buffer ICs 74LS245, 4 buffers are there, 2 scratchpad memory 62256, 1 RTC is there, 8253 timer and counter, 8251 USART IC, MAX 232 and D-Type 9 connector here is provided for connect the kit to PC by using the 929 serial link. 2 8255 is provided there, upper port 8255, lower port 8255, and respective their pin are coming on this 26 pin FRC here and here. By using that 26 pin box connector, you connect accessories like stepper motor, DC motor, Scantech, then analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter. Now you can also connect the PC keyboard to Expo 86 trainer. Here, by using the Expo 86 trainer, you can write the program in assembly language as well as opcode. We start for assembly language. For that, press E on keyboard. Cut. For writing the assembly language on Expo 86 trainer, press E, enter, then press A, enter. It starts from 1000 to 0100. Right here mnemonics MVI AX, 4444, 4444 is data. If there is any mistake, it shows to you error. So write the proper instructions. Move AX, 2222 is the data. Then move BX, 2222 data. Add AX, BX, then INT A5, enter 2 times, then press Q, enter. It comes to the command board. Execute this program. For that, execution procedure is press G, enter, write down the source segment 1000. After that, write down the address 0100, enter. It shows to the command. Now check the content of the registers. For that procedure, press S, enter, any key 2 times. It shows register, enter, name, enter, the content of the accumulator, enter, then content of the B register, enter, content of the C register. Now if for pressing enter, it shows all the content of the registers. Cut. In opcode, how to opcode feed in memory, the procedure is follow. Press S means substitute, enter, it shows memory, enter, source segment, press there source segment 1000, enter, address 0100, enter. Here it will shows to the address and here it is shows to the opcode, previous opcode. When you put the opcode, it takes new opcodes. Like B8, we write a simple addition program. For that, the opcode is B8, enter, then 34, enter, 22, enter, 22, enter, BA, enter, 65, enter, 87, enter, 01, enter, D0, enter, 89, enter, C1, enter, CD, enter, A5, enter. If you want to go to the previous locations, for that you press the Ctrl C. If you want to see the previous location's address or data, for that you press the Ctrl U, it goes to the backwards, and is there any mistake you can change it and goes to the you continue your program. Enter. Now comes to the program, press escape. Now the execution procedure is same, like press G, enter, give the source segment 1000, for example 0100, enter, it shows the command. Now how to check the content of the registers? Same procedure is here as above. Substitute, enter any key 2 times, it shows registers name, enter, it shows all the registers of the content. Now we connect the accessories to Expo86. First we see the accessories Scantech. By using the Scantech we cover the experiment like interfacing with 7 segment, then LED matrix, then matrix keyboard. Then second is analog to digital conversion. Interface with the 86, you can see the analog to digital and digital to analog. By using this card we cover that part also. Now third is stepper motor and DC motor. This is the DC motor and stepper motor. Now see the how the working of that accessories. First we see the Scantech. By using this 26 pin FRC, you can connect the accessories with the 86. Switch on the power supply. And already the program is given our EEPROM. You just move the program from EEPROM to RAM and execute that program directly. And that address is given in the manual. The start address, end address and destinations. So how to it shows the output. First see the output of 7 segment. Go to enter, give the address 10580100. See the Anshuman is display on the 7 segment displayed. For the next program press reset, then again execute, go to enter, write down the source segment for the keyboard scanning 10460100. Here if you pressing the keys particular 0, if press second keys it shows 1, with respective keys it shows the digit of on display. For the LED matrix, execution address is enter 105E, enter 00. It shows the A character on LCD matrix. Stop. See the application of stepper motor and DC motor. For that, connect the 26 pin FRC between stepper motor card and Expo86. Now connect the power supply. First you move the program from EEPROM to RAM and then execute the program. For the stepper motor, press execute the program, press G, enter 1064, enter 0100. It shows the direction forward and reverse. If you press F, the motor is rotate in forward direction. If you press R means reverse, motor rotate in reverse direction. Give the speed 99. The motor is rotate in forward directions. If you press